Okay, I want to recap this loss I took. Um, I am mad at myself for taking this trade. I have plenty of data to back up the fact that I should not be taking. Try like why am I trying to long this? I mean, am I a fucking moron? Like seriously. Um, I tried to convince myself that a long here would make some sense. But I mean, I'm just a fucking moron. Like, look at price. Why am I doing this? Like, I have to be honest with myself. This was a trade that I'm very upset that I took. I'm usually not upset with losses that I take, but this is one that I am upset with. I'm a fucking idiot. It didn't feel right from the get go. I should not have traded it. Um, I'll explain the reasons why I rationalized the trade to myself, but I have a post-it note sitting right here that says 40% of my losses have come from trying to catch retracement, counter trend trading, which is exactly what I fucking did today. Um, so I don't know how many more times it'll take before I learn that maybe I shouldn't be doing that. But hopefully I beat myself up enough to recognize that that's an issue. But yeah, the daily doesn't really. I mean, it did give us a lot actually because we had been pumping the previous 3 days, so we formed a daily fair value gap. Believe it or not, we were trading above this before market open. So my initial draw was previous daily low slash the daily fair value gap. Um, and obviously that got blown through. And in the back of my mind, I'm still thinking, well, I mean, we could see a nice reaction, and then this could still close in the daily fair value gap because, but that wasn't really the main point. The main point was we were trading inside this 4 hour, and I mean, like, obviously, yes, we're extremely bearish, but like, what else are we coming for? Um, but again, like, I, I'm trading against the trend, so I fucking deserve to lose. It is what it is. I had my reasons. It was a 4 hour fair value gap that we were tapping into, along with a 1 hour fair value gap. We had obviously swept a bunch of liquidity already. This is a protected low. I don't really see us coming that far, but obviously, um, we can because that's the current trend we're in. So why am I counter trend trading? I don't know. I'm a fucking moron. I'm pissed at myself. That was a loss I should not have taken. I didn't do lighter size, but I mean, at the end of the day, it was enough size to piss me off because the size should have been 0. Um, so yeah, the trend bearish, obviously at this point, and we got I won't even say a great reaction. We got an okay reaction from this level of the hourly slash 4 hour fair value gap. We have an hourly, well, that's not an hourly fair value gap yet, excuse me. We have a 15-minute fair value gap here that I was looking to trade back into. Uh, so again, me trying to catch a fucking retracement in counter trend trading. I can't believe that I took this trade today. I really can't. Um, yeah, I'm like out of word, beyond like words. I don't understand why I did this. I really don't. Um, at the very least, I need to wait for a resweep like this. Maybe you get a 5 minute inversion here, or even like I'm done trading today because mentally I just can't handle it right now. I'm pissed at myself. But like even this, when you get a resweep and then like you get a 3 minute here, maybe like, but you can't be the first. You can't be the first buyer here. I'm a fucking idiot. At least wait for the resweep. Um, at least wait for the resweep. So, my breaky, like I rationalized this to myself because I was like, okay, we're in an hourly fair value gap. We're in a 4 hour fair value gap. And on top of that, my break even was pretty close to my entry. So I'm like, okay, at the very least, we're gonna hit my break even. Couldn't even fucking do that. That's how lethargic price is. No, that's the wrong word for it. It's not lethargic. It's lethargic to the upside. Clearly, to the downside, it wants to fucking just go to zero right now. And I'm just I'm counter trend trading, and you know, without waiting for at least the resweep to happen. Like, you want to give me this, fine, but yeah. So took a loss. Um, yeah, I don't. I really. It's so annoying how it doesn't like show a number there, but yeah, I don't know where it gives you a dollar amount that I lost, but it was like 320 something or something like that. Yeah, that was the trade. Yeah, yeah, yeah.